Hello friends, our today's activity is symmetrical name design. In your art book, you will see on the right hand side page, you have a pre-drawn square which is divided in 8 equal parts. You will write your name in one of this triangular part, any one of the triangular part that you want. When you write your name inside the triangle using fancy letters or block letters, your letters should touch the sides of the triangle. So here I am writing the word art. It's A, R and T. I've used fancy lettering technique. If you want, you can write it in block letters. We will trace this word, but before you trace the word, on the tracing paper, we will roughly draw the triangle and also the lines that we see, so that whenever we are tracing in the next triangle, this will act as a guideline for us. Here we are getting a perfect marking for every place. We'll start tracing the letters now. See that your tracing paper is not moving. If it has moved, then adjust it with the lines that we have drawn. So I have traced this word. Now what I am going to do is I am going to flip this paper around and place it on the next triangle. So basically this word will look like this, like a mirror image. So we have traced it like this. I'm going to flip it and I am tracing it over here. So the lines that I have used, see, you can see these lines. I will use these lines as my guidelines. I'll see that they are matching perfectly with the triangle and the square. So once I have seen that they are matching perfectly, I will use a carbon paper. I will slip the carbon paper from one end and I will trace the letters. I'm using a carbon paper. Once you finish tracing, you will see that you get an impression underneath. I'll just go over with the sketch pen so that you're able to see. So we have written the word art, A-R-T. We traced it, then we flipped it. See, again you will flip it, fix it in the next triangle very properly, very slowly fix it. Once your measurements are good, put the tracing paper back in the space and repeat this process. You will keep on flipping the carbon paper till you have finished repeating the process in all the triangles. So now you see we have completed this in all the 8 triangles. You will color the symmetrical name design using crayons of your choice. Once you finish coloring, it will look something like this. It will look as though it's a design, but actually you know that what you have written is art or your name or word, and then you have repeated it in all the 8 triangles and then you have colored it. So this is looking like a symmetrical design, but actually it's a word, or in your case if you're writing your name, then it's a name design.